Ralph here from Woodcademy. Now, I've been out in the yard getting some work done this weekend, and my hand axe, my hatchet, has taken a little damage, and I want to clean up the edge. There's a couple of different ways I can do this, but I want to show you one that's quick, simple, easy, and quite frankly, not terribly expensive. From MPower-Tools, they have their line of diamond hones and sharpening stones. It comes with a cleaning tab. It comes with a pair of magnetic feet that allow you to use it wherever. One side is 300 grit, the other side is 1200 grit. We're going to start with the 300. The feet go on magnetically, and you put them at each end, and that lets you use it on a table without having to lock it down. It's pretty snug. I'm going to set this aside, and a lot of times what I'll do is I'll mark a sharpened edge or an edge that I want to sharpen with a Sharpie marker so I can see where I'm hitting. But in this case, I've got plenty of dirt on it, so I should be able to figure that out. It's slightly curved, so I'm going to grab the angle I want, and I'm going to work it through on a curve. Just give it a little bit of a hone. Now I'm on the 300 grit here, and I can already see where it's cleaning up. So I can do a few more there. I'm going to flip it around the other way and do the same. The angle in this case isn't terribly important. I need to make sure that I'm cutting along the edge, and that feels pretty good. I've gotten a little bit of a cleanup on it. Now, if I really want to dial it right in, I can flip the stone over. Now I've got the 1200 grit side, and I can actually put a polish on it here. And again, I'm giving it a little bit of a curve as I work, keeping the angle as close to the same as I can. And I'm really just working the micro bevel on the edge here because I didn't get any damage. If I had had a big nick or something, I might start at a grinding wheel, but then I would finish here. This is nice because it's very controllable. I can, use it whenever I need to. It doesn't require any infrastructure, no electric, no nothing. I can throw it in a toolbox. I always have it with me. So I really like that. And it's good for any of my smaller tools. So if I've got a chisel that needs touch up, I can work it on this edge to flatten the back off the side. And then again, I can come in and work the micro bevel. And that gives me, I can keep my tools sharp. Even with scrapers, once again, I can take the old burr off. I can sharpen my scraper the way I want, and I'd probably flip it over to the 300 grit to do this. And now I can roll that edge with my burnishing tool, and my scraper will work. So whatever it is that you need to do, I almost used my chisel for a screwdriver. We've never done that before, have we? So I really like the sharpening system from MPower-Tools. I usually just store the feet just so. There is a cleaning block that comes with it. It's just a little gum rubber block and instructions, and it comes with the pouch. So I can keep everything in the pouch nice and neat. And it's always ready to work when I am. I can even take this in the field with me. I could take it outdoors. Never need to flatten it. It's easy, it's inexpensive, and it always works. I'll provide a link to this product in the description. And as always, if you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel, that helps us out a lot, and it helps me keep bringing Woodcademy content to you for free.